Uh, I got this, you know, joining kit from the Wipro. As today I appointed in a Wipro as a senior technical specialist. And what actually I received from the Wipro, I'm just going to do the unboxing. Okay, so let's begin. So I got this from the DTDC courier. So what actually Wipro said to their every employees in a joining kit. So this box is a very quite good by looking. So very first I got this mouse pad. Okay, yeah, the quality and it's very comfortable and sustainable. Okay, the first and the second one, Wipro. The second what? Let me open this. Yeah, so here, how many employees are there in Wipro? Around 2 lakh plus employees are there in Wipro, and Wipro is operating 65 plus countries. Okay, and 1400 plus clients are there on for values 5 habits. On what are the 5 habits that are saying we need to go through about this, inside of the words and that 5 habits. So what are the 5 habits? Being respectful, being responsive, always communicating, demonstrating, stewardship, and building trust. These 5 habits are asking the people for values, and I'll see you later about this. Make the moment. Okay, that's great. Welcome, Wipro. Thank you. And after this, what actually? And the third one. Third one is a very impressive and not paid along with the pen. Okay, this is that given by the Wipro, and nothing but always in the list. Water bottle. The sounds so good, and I think so. It will for long lasting. I hope so. Yeah, thank you, Wipro. And the third one, yeah. If you want to see, they given some flowers, and the flowers are very colorful. And actually, this flower is very dry flowers, which is smelling good. Okay, if you use these flowers in that any water bottle or the wall, it'll be smell to an entire room. So that's good. Sounds good. And let's see what is there in a small box. Okay, so okay, it's look like a we can say teacup or like stand of the tea or bottle. Okay, so what actually this is the 5 habits. Okay, asking from the Wipro that 5 habits. First habit in the five, being respectful. Great, always remember being respectful in your personal and professional career, for personal and professional life. The second one is being responsive. Always be a responsive. Always response, and take responsibility. Okay. The third one, always communicating. Be always there. Remember, in your personal professional, there should not be a communication gap. Okay. The fourth one, demonstration, stewardship. So I don't know about the meaning of this. Okay, I need to check. Okay. So after that, the fifth one. So 5 habits of building a trust between your client, your family, your parents, your relatives, your all over the with. It means trust. What is it? Building trust with your each and every contact. So this all 5 messages, hard cup table I got from the Wipro. So yeah, that's good. Thank you, Wipro. Thank you so much. Now, cameraman, please